Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today let's talk about 3D printing. I got into this hobby over 10 years ago. These days I use a Bambu Lab P1S with the AMS. Like many people who have been 3D printing for a while, I still have a collection of small filament spools left over from older printers, and on top of that, my local thrift stores have recently been loaded up with these sample packs. These are specialty filaments in all sorts of crazy colors. They're usually cheap enough that I really can't pass them up. The main problem is these small spools don't play nicely with the AMS system. I could manually respool each one onto a larger spool, but that honestly sounds like a lot of work. So instead, let's design an adapter. This version is actually my second attempt. It works, but I already have a few ideas for improvements, so there may be a version 3 in the future. The concept is simple. You have 4 flexible spring tabs that grab the edge of the filament, and then the stepped out adapter simulates a full-size spool. Now comes the important part, testing it out. To put it through its paces, let's print a couple of my earliest designs. The first one is a Stanley style cup, and the second is this simple screw top pill container. Some people might call these designs printer slop, but I designed them myself years ago, and they do still serve a purpose. As you can see, this does mostly work. After printing a few of these spools, some of the adapters started to come loose, so I will have to revise those. Just in case this version isn't what you're looking for, I went ahead and designed a conventional respool. This one uses either a 1/4-20 threaded rod or a 1/4-inch dowel. I got the idea from a fishing line respool. Let me know what you think of these designs in the comments. Would you use something like this, or do you prefer respooling your filament? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.